Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll discuss about airtel company that recent news is there that there will be right issue in airtel company of 21,000 crore. So in this video just I'll discuss about what is the difference between this right issue and your FPO and IPO. So basically this will be for new investor or the beginners or the people who have very less idea about the share market, started your investment, or have no idea about these terms. So there is a little bit difference between this right issue, FPO and IPO. In all the three things the company uses to raise money. Suppose we are running a company and we require some money for to repay the debt, to pay the taxes, to manage the company. We require some money and we are in a loss for a few period of time, let's say 1 year or 2 year. So we require some money, right? So what we can do, we can raise the money from the market. So people like you and me, the retail investors, will buy their shares and they will get the money. So IPO is initial public offering. That means when a new company generally it enters into the market, it files IPO and it raises money. This money they utilize to repay the debt or they use for the expansion of the company. And we buy the IPO, like we subscribe, and we may get, we may not get, but we buy the IPO so that we will be also a shareholder of the company. Now then, what is FPO? So FPO is follow-on public service, follow-on public offer. So what is that? Now if you remember, last year I think Yes Bank used the FPO to raise 12,000 crore. So what is that FPO? Follow-on public offer. So in between, suppose the company requires some money to run or manage its business, then they will issue follow-on public offer, like Ruchi Soya is going to file FPO. So in FPO what will happen? You will also raise money from market. The retail investor, anyone can buy the share, but this is for existing company who are already in the market. They can raise the money. If IPO is you are not in the share market, you will enter into the share market and you will raise some money for your expansion, for your expenditure or debt payment, whatever may be. Similarly, when you are already in the market but you require some money, right? So how will you raise it? So you will issue some equity share. Your board will fix the price, right? Like Yes Bank fixed the price 12 rupees per share, and they raised 12,000 crore for their managing the Yes Bank, because Yes Bank was in a very bad condition. So they raised the money, right? So like IPO, you will also subscribe FPO. Then what is right issue? Right issue means when the company is generally so confident that our shareholders will buy, or we are in a good condition, our shareholders will buy. So let us first give the benefits of the new shares that we are going to issue to our shareholders. Their shareholder means those who are already our shareholders, means whose in their demat account already Airtel share will be there. They are already the investors or shareholders. So for them, those who have already shares, so they can only buy the shares, no other, not common people. Like suppose I am not holding Airtel, let's say I'm in my demat account not a single Airtel share is there. So I am not, am I eligible for the Right issue? No, I am not eligible for the right issue. Who are eligible for the right issue? Those who have already shares of Airtel, means Airtel shares in their demat account, or they are holding Airtel shares, so they are eligible. And in what ratio? 1:14. That means for each 14 share you are holding, you will get opportunity to buy one share. Getting? That means if you have 1400 share in your demat account, you are holding 1400 shares of Airtel, then you are eligible to buy 100 share. You will get in the right issue column, you will go and you will get, when the window will open, the date will be fixed in between this date to this date, like IPO and FPO. So in that day you can apply, you will able to see that you are eligible to buy 100 shares. So in that you can buy that. Why will you buy? Because you know that Airtel is good, that's why you can buy. Or if you feel that no, Airtel value is not that great, I will not buy, you may not buy also, you are not forced to buy, right? So Airtel is providing at what price? 535. The board has decided that they will provide the right issue at 535 rupees, right? Their face value is 5 rupees, so they are giving at a premium 530 rupees, 530. So total they are providing at 535. That means you can buy 535, but the market price is 625 rupees approximately. Today price, if I say today, it's increased 5%. Generally it increases because those who are already holding the shares, they will not sell now. Why? Because they will get opportunity to buy more share, right? So those who are holding at this point of time, no one will wish to sell their share. So if there is in the market, if there are less sellers, more buyers, then of course the price will increase, right? So this happens, but after a certain period of time, when the record date will be there, after the record date, right, you will see that the price will start falling down and it will come close to 535. That happened in case of Yes Bank also. After the FPO, it was trading around 25-26 rupees. After the FPO, it continuously fall down and came to 12 rupees. Then it was trading at 13-14. Now it's trading at around 10-11 rupees, right? So after the FPO or right issue, generally the price fall down to that right issue price. So or buyback price also, right? Recently Infosys did the buyback. So right issue, I think all of you are clear what is the meaning of right issue. Right issue means this is the way to raise the money from the market, so that money you can use. Like you know that Airtel is now has lots of debt, or you can say they have to pay the AGR dues to the government, and so I think the board have approved, so they needs money to repay the government. And I think at least Jio has killed all the telecom company, right? Vodafone Idea is like about to die, and sometimes it may die, but let's see if Airtel is supposed to survive. We hope that it will survive, but this sector is under stress. Why so? Because new technologies are coming, right? Elon Musk Starlink technology is coming. So Starlink, when it will come, then both Jio and Airtel will be irrelevant. Like people will not use that much, right? If for internet and other things, people will use Starlink because its speed and coverage will be more. So, but still India is a very huge country, and only two players are, you can say, there, Airtel and Jio. So there will be good market share. So people are bullish on Airtel, and we are hoping that Airtel will price will increase and people will gain money. But I think right issue, whether you will apply or not, whether I will apply, because I am not holding any Airtel share. So I cannot apply for right issue. If I'll buy, I can apply. I'll see. But if you are holding, you can think of, if you think that Airtel price will increase, and you can buy. What people do is generally they buy the share, suppose 535, now it's trading at 625, so you will think that I'll buy 535 and I'll sell at around, if it is decreased up to 600 also, then suddenly you will get per share 50 rupees profit. But don't think like that. Many times it happens, the price suddenly after the exit date will reduce to around 535. It happens many times, because with lots of past experiences, we can say that it happens. The price, current market price, falls down to your right issue price. But if it does not, it's good. It may also go up. You can get a sudden 20%, 30% gain, and you can sell it also. Or if you think that Airtel has a great potential to grow, then you can hold it for a long time. You will get a price at a price 535. It's good, less than the market price, so you can hold it up to a longer period of time, and you can apply for right issue. I hope you are clear about right issue, FPO and IPO. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow with another topic. Bye bye, take care.